Morning student and welcome to the class of mathematics. So today we just learn about the concept of set. That chapter is included in 9th standard. So this is a little small video of set. So actually I just have some keys with me. So different types of keys I just collect in one bracket, or I just collect in my hand, or I just collect here. Some electronic gadgets are there. So collection, just concentrate. What I mean is I just have the common element collected. Okay, so it is a group of common element which is having some common characteristics. So what the characteristics having? These are the electronic gadget. Everybody can use it. So what is the common characteristics here? These are all keys. I just underline this is a common thing. I just collect the all objects which are having some common things. Okay, now I just take this one. So these are some books, reading books, novels are there. So collection, what is the common thing? Common thing is a reading book. These are books. Okay, so I just come to the mathematical form is there. I just have some numbers. I just write number 1, 2, 3, 4. So these numbers are natural numbers. So what is the common characteristics of these? These are the natural number. So what is the definition? So this all is called as set. So what is the meaning of set? Set is a collection of well-defined object. So define is very important part. So you just see the keys. So what is defined? These are the keys. You just have some electronic gadgets are there. So what is common thing? Electronic gadgets are the common thing. I just show you the books. The novels are there. Reading books are there. Okay. So this is the common characteristic. So what is the common characteristics here? These are natural numbers. Okay. So collection of well-defined object is called as set. Okay. So I just write here A. You just see the capital letter here A. So it is a bracket and numbers are in the bracket. Okay. So what is a set? So the name of set is written in capital letter. You just write any capital letter, but it is in capital letter. So these are the elements. Okay. So element means the content of the set. So 1 is the element of set A, 2 is the element of set A. I just write here set B. So what the set B? What is the element of set B? I just write here rose, lily, jasmine, lotus. Okay. So what is the common characteristics? These are the flowers. So collection of well-defined object. So these are the elements of the set. Okay. Now, so 1 is the element of set. Okay. So I just write 1 is the element of set A. It belongs to. That symbol is called as belongs to. So it's the symbol of belongs to. So belongs to means it contains in that set. Okay. So here is 2 is belongs to A. I just write 5, 6. Okay, whether 6 is belongs to A, so 6 is not element of set A. So the symbol I just write here. So how it is read as 6 does not belongs to A. Okay, so these are the set. I just remember one thing, you just have, now tell me whether you just write a set of a best cricket player of India. Okay, you just tell me best cricket player. For my side, Dhoni is good one, Dravid is good one, Kohli is good one. It is the best one. But the best is not the common characteristics. From your side, you just say Kapil Dev is the best one. From my side, I don't know whether Kapil Dev is good or not. It is also good one. But the best is not exactly characteristics. So the best player or the best cricket player of India does not form a set. So there are some different methods to write a set. So first method to writing a set is called listing method. It is also called as roster form. Second method is called as rule method. This is called as set builder form. So the word itself indicates what is the meaning of listing. Listing means to list something. Okay. So I just write a set A, or I just write number here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Okay. So these are the numbers and I just write this number in the listing form. Okay. So you know that the name of this set is written in capital letter, obviously. So I just write set A. The set is written in curly bracket. So it is a curly bracket. So every element is written in curly bracket. Okay. Now, so when I look the number here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, again 1, 2. So there is one rule to write a set, whether it is a listing form. The elements are never be repeated. No repetition of elements are in the set. If there are 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times elements comes, here 1 come 2 times, 2 also come 2 times. But when you write a set, it written once only. So this is very important characters. So I just write the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So there is a repetition of 1 and 2. So don't write the repeated element. It is write once only. Okay. So I just write this set is in the form of, there is a no such particular rule to write the sequence. Okay. So I just write this also 1, 2, 3, 5, 4. Okay. So there is no specific sequence to write the numbers or element in the set. This method is called as listing method. Okay. Okay, so another example, the colors in the rainbow. Okay, so I just write this in the listing form. So I just write color in the rainbow. I just write here is R. So which colors are present in the rainbow? It is V, I, B, G, Y, O, R. It is Vibjor. So what are the colors? Here is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. You just write this set. In reverse order also R, O, Y, G, B, I, V. Because we know there is no specific sequence to write a element of the set. So second method we just discussed here, it is called rule method or set builder form. Okay, rule means there is a particular rule present in the set. Okay, now the set P contain 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. When I concentrate the number, I just find one rule. These are all the multiple of 2 up to 10. Okay. Now I just write here P. Okay. So this is a listing method. I just convert to rule method. Set builder form. Okay. So I just write here is X. So what is X here? I just consider all element as X. You just take any alphabet. Okay. So it is such that X such that what is X here is, so X is a multiple of 2. I just write X is multiple of 2 up to 10. Okay. Multiple of 2 up to 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Or in the mathematical form, I just write here is P X such that X is equal to N. Okay. So what is N? N belongs to N. I just write here is small n. So what is this N? So that N belongs to natural numbers. So natural number we don't take as natural numbers. Okay. So here is N belongs to N. But up to which natural number? Because natural number are infinite one. And I just closes my set up to 10. Okay. So I just write here is N less than or equal to 5. Okay. Now just check whether this set is right or not. So here is 2. N is less than or equal to 5 means N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 into 1. So 2N. So 2 into 1 that is 2. 2 into 2 4. 2 into 3 6. 2 into 4 8. And 2 into 5 10. Okay. So this rule exists here. X is equal to 2N. N belongs to natural numbers and N is less than or equal to 5. Now next here. Now just go with the second example. I just change the color of the pen here. So here is Q. Here is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Okay. So these are all square one. Okay. But square up to 6. So I just write here Q is equal to X such that X is equal to, what I write here? N square. N is less than or equal to 6. So N and this N belongs to natural number. Okay. This is very important. n belongs to natural number. So here is value of n is 1. So it is square 1, 1, 2, 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25 and 6 square 36. Okay. So we just create a very common rule and you just write that rule in curly bracket. So it forms a rule method. So we just have some little bit here is type of set. Okay. So I just write some type of set. First is the singleton set. Okay. Okay. So here is type of set. First type is the singleton set. So the word itself indicate that it is singleton set means single element is present. Okay. So I just write here the natural number between 4 and 5, 4 and 6. If I say the natural number between 4 and 6, so which natural number present is between 4 and 6? It is 5. So that say A is equal to 5. Okay. So what that 5 is? So it is a natural number between 4 and 6. So only one element present. It is called singleton set. Okay. Second example, the capital of India. I think there is only one capital. You also think that there is only one capital. There is no 2, 3, 4 capital of any country. Okay. So capital of India is New Delhi. Only one element present in the set. So it is singleton set. So B is New Delhi. So it is the capital of India. Only one element present. So one element present is called as singleton set. Okay. Second is called as empty set or it is called null set. Empty means nothing is present, but that set exists. This is very important. There are no element or there is no element present in the set, but set exists is called as empty set. It is also called as null set. And that set is denoted by phi. It is denoted by phi. Okay. Now, if I just say write a natural number between 2 and 3. Whether the natural number exists between 2 and 3? No. So there is no element present. So I just write phi is nothing because there is no natural number between 2 and 3. Okay. The numbers are rational number may exist, irrational number may exist, but there is no natural number between 2 and 3. So it is called as empty set, no element present. Next is a finite set. Finite itself that there are limited or you just count the total number of element present in the set. If I write here is set A 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to 100. So how many elements are present? I just count it. It is finite elements are present. 1, 2, 3, 4 dash 100. So number of element I just count to be 101. So when we just count the number of element present in the set, that set is called as finite set. And next is infinite set, means we are not count the or it is uncountable element present in the set. I just write here natural number, the set of natural number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. But and so on means infinite numbers are present. So that n is a infinite set. We are not count the total number of element present in the set. Or we just take another example. We just can you count the stars in the universe? No, you can't count it. Suppose I write the stars. So that star or the set of star is infinite one. We can't count it actual number of the star present in the universe. Okay. So I just repeat within 1 minute. Singleton set, only one element. Empty set, it is called null set, denoted by phi. There are no element present in the set. Next is the finite set. The countable element are present in the set. We just count the elements. Next is infinite set. The elements are not countable. So it is another concept is the equal set. Equal set means the equal element present in the set. That element is present in that set. Suppose 3 elements are present. For example, 1, 2, 3. That 3 elements are present in set B. I just write here. Suppose A set contain 1, 2, 3. Set B elements are 2, 3, 1. Just concentrate the element. So which element are present in set A? It is 1, 2, 3. How many elements are there? 3. Which elements are present in set B? That is 2, 3, 1. So every element of set A is present in set B. So that is called as equal set. I just write A is equal to B. That means equal set. Set A is equal to B. Okay. I just write two words here. I just write eat, E-A-T, and another word T. Okay. Now I just have the listing method to write the it. So I just write set A, name of set, E. So the letters contained in it is E, A, T, and letter contained in T, I just write to T as set B. It is T, E. You just check it whether they are the set are equal or not. So every element of A or every element of B is present in A, or every element of A is present in B. So E is present here, A is present here, T is present here. So that set is called as equal set. Set A is equal to set B. So we just have some revise to have some problem here. So write the following in the listing method. So problem is given set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. So how many primes number are present in 1 to 20? I just write this set as yes. So we just write only prime number. Okay. So 2 is a prime from 1 to 20 only. 2, here is 3, here is 5, here is 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Okay. So this is the prime number from 1 to 20. Right? I just take next here is letters in the word India. So I just write here is I. It is curly bracket. Okay. This braces. This curly bracket is also called as braces. So India, INDIA. So I is repeated. Okay. But we know the rule. There is no repetition of element present in the set. So letters are I. Here is N. Here is D. Here is A. Okay. I is repeated twice, but we write in once only. Okay. So there is one rule. So every element present in the set is separated by comma. Okay. This is, you just remember, every element is separated by comma. Okay. So next question is write the following in the rule method. Rule method is called as set builder form. So the set is given 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. So just concentrate 3, 5, 7, 9. So what is 3, 5, 7, 9? They are odd numbers. Okay. So it is how you just write the odd number? It is n plus, yes, n plus 1 or n plus 2 is there. Okay. Okay. You just think. If you don't get the answer, you just think your logic. When you think it, you get the answer. Whether it is n plus 1 or n minus 1, you just check it. N plus 1, n is 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So it's not possible. Just go with the second one. N minus 1, no, 0 has come. 1 minus 1, 0 is there. So just go here. So checking here is n plus 2, n plus 1. Whether it is 2n plus 1 is an odd number, just check it. N belongs to natural number. So 1 plus 1 into 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, so that number exists. Okay, so you just think like that. So what is the rule here is A. So for all I just write X. So how X is? So X is equal to 2n plus 1. And what is n? So n is belongs to natural number. And I just get here, value of n is equal to 1. I just get 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 3. I just up to 9 means n is equal to 4. So 4 into 2, 8 plus 1, 9. So how I can write here is, so here is n belongs to n and 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4. Means the value of n is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now second is 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. I just write set B. So these are the multiple of 6. So x such that x is equal to 6n. So n also belongs to n and n is less than or equal to 5. 6 into 5, 30. So 6 into 1, 6. 6 into 2, 12 up to 30. Okay. Okay. If you are having any problem related to the set, you just write in the comment box and subscribe for more and more fun in mathematics. Thank you.